Okay, so I'm here in Jamaica, in Kingston, Jamaica, right here in New Kingston, and I want to start a petition that I believe that KFC should be Jamaica's national dish. I know that Jamaica is heading for a referendum in 2025 and could become a republic, but KFC, Jamaica's national dish. I came in yesterday on Friday and decided to go to KFC. I knew it was going to be busy. However, I still went because you can't come to Jamaica and not go to KFC. KFC is like one of the first stops that you have to make. So I came and I went to KFC and I was in KFC for about 1.5 hours in the line waiting for KFC. That's how crazy it was. 1.5 hours waiting in the line patiently to get KFC. Um, in the line, I was very skeptical because I'm like, you know what? 1.5 hour busy Friday night, they are going to mess this up. Like it's not going to come out properly. Like the chicken is going to be bloody and all of that. There's no way this is going to be good. But trust me, I forgot. I've not had Jamaican KFC in about 12 to 13 years. And I forgot how amazing KFC is in Jamaica. So that is my petition. Jamaica, KFC, that should be our national dish. So while I'm here for about 6 days, and I'm going to be going to different KFCs across Kingston for the 6 days to try it. I'm going to have KFC every day. This is like independent research. So I'm going to take you along with me and let me know if you think that KFC should be Jamaica's national dish. Yes, so this what I'm having is a big deal. I got the original and barbecue, and trust me, it's not an exaggeration, but this is, man, this is amazing. Mm. After about, 12 years not having KFC in Jamaica, man, you don't know what you're missing. This is, this is really a big deal. And I know I said it on multiple occasions, but I don't know what it is about the Caribbean when it comes on to the KFC. Because having KFC in America, having KFC in Canada, it is like garbage compared to this. And trust me, KFC really should be Jamaica's national dish. Because today's Sunday, this is my second KFC so far since I've been here. I came early. This is not even 12 o'clock yet, so I came early just so I can have a quiet space to record and that I don't have to line up for a long time because my first on Friday I had to wait over an hour just to get this thing. So I know jerk chicken is popular. I know everybody talk about ackee and saltfish, but it's just crazy how Friday evening, just the entire weekend, not only Friday but Saturday, Sunday, that KFC, the lines are so long. It's just ridiculous. So KFC, Jamaica's new national dish. Trust me. That's the original. And I'm in New Kingston. I'm trying KFC in Jamaica in different locations. The location I'm at today is New Kingston. This is one of the few locations with upstairs, so it's good for recording, and I'm here having the original, and trust me, this is so amazing. Mm. So the last time I had KFC, and I said it's the best KFC in the Caribbean, was St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And this just reminds me of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The flavor, like you could eat the bone if you want. That's how much flavor is in it. I don't know how they managed to get like flavor is distributed right, equally right throughout the chicken. Like some places you go and there's a little bit of flavor here, a little bit of flavor there, but this flavor is just spread right into the chicken. I don't know how they do it. But I'm not going to say if it is better than St. Vincent, but all I'm going to say is that, look, KFC should be the national dish of Jamaica. That's all I'm going to say. Let's leave it at that. Cheers. Yes, so to be honest, I would say so far, the original in Jamaica is the best that I've had, best that I've ever had so far. The original in Jamaica. And keep in mind, I've not tried the one from Trinidad and Tobago yet. The barbecue, not so much. I'm not a big fan of the barbecue, but what is interesting also is that the barbecue in St. Vincent, that is amazing. That to me, the barbecue in St. Vincent is the best one that I've had, and they also have a honey dip that comes with it that just elevate the level of the chicken, took it to a different level. So I would say the original in Jamaica and the barbecue in St. Vincent, those are my two favorite so far anywhere I've ever had. The spicy is okay, but I don't think the spicy um, can compete to the original and the barbecue. But that's just my opinion. Sound off and let me know, where have you had the best KFC that you have ever had in your life? Which country it is? Sound off in the comment section and let me know. Okay, guys, so sound off in the comment section and let me know, what are your thoughts. What is it about the Caribbean that makes KFC so different from anywhere else in the world? Like, I've never tasted chicken like this, and this is like fast food anywhere in the world. So sound off in the comment section. Let me know, what is it about the Caribbean, why KFC in the Caribbean is so amazing, and who do you think in the Caribbean has the best KFC? Sound off in the comment section and let me know. And should KFC be Jamaica's new national dish? Let me know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.